Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two powerful processors from Intel, the Core i9-12900K and the Core i5-12400. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. The Core i9-12900K comes at a price of $358, which is almost double the price of the Core i5-12400, which is priced at $172. If budget is a concern, the Core i5-12400 could be a great option for you. Both processors feature socket LGA1700 for installation on the PCB, so there's no winner in this category. The Core i9-12900K comes with a whopping 30 MB of L3 cache, which is significantly higher compared to the 18 MB of L3 cache in the Core i5-12400. This means the Core i9-12900K could provide better performance for demanding tasks. Both processors feature improved performance per watt and power-efficient microarchitecture. However, the Core i9-12900K features Intel 7 architecture, which could provide slightly better performance compared to the Core i5-12400 with its hyper-threading architecture. The Core i5-12400 comes with built-in Intel UHD Graphics 730 controller, which could support up to 4 monitors, whereas the Core i9-12900K does not have built-in graphics. So, if you're building a gaming PC, the Core i5-12400 could be a better option. So there you have it. The comparison between the Core i9-12900K and the Core i5-12400. Both processors have their own strengths and weaknesses. Ultimately, it all comes down to your personal preferences and requirements. Let us know in the comments which processor you think is a better fit for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons.